Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Supercar Street Racing, and here we have the 2014 Club Car Precedent. Today we're going to be doing our first mod. We're going to see what happens when we try this. If you take a look at these side skirts here, someone thought it was a good idea to put a ugly chrome diamond plate side skirt on here. We're going to be taking these off, and maybe, I don't think we can take this off. This is actually part of the, I don't know why every single thing on a golf cart has to have a logo on it. That's ugly. It wraps all the way around here like this. Can't get the Ingersoll Rand off of there, but we're going to take these side skirts off and attempt to paint them matte black. I've got the paint up here on the table, and I got it from that orange store, Home Depot, and it is Fusion all-in-one. And I did pick up new screws for the steering wheel. However, I thought they were tapered like this, but they actually are not. The ones that are in there are just regular old screws. So I bought the wrong screws, and I don't currently have a vehicle to get back to the hardware store. But yeah, that's what's happening today. Supercar Street Racing. Alright guys, welcome back, and it looks like today there's a screw missing here, but I think our objective is to remove these 4 screws and take this off. The actual chrome plating is chipping off of this, but let's get the screwdriver out and get this guy off of there ASAP. The screwdriver is in the shed, but I have old reliable Black & Decker here, so this guy has never let me down. I've had the screwdriver for years and years. This screwdriver is really good. For a cheap Walmart screwdriver, it's a lithium-ion battery. It has come through many times. That screw won't come out. I think this just slips off now. I don't feel any screws on the side at all. Feels like it's loose. And there is an ugly skirt under it, and they have screwed holes in this as well, which makes this unusable now. So what we're gonna do now, right here, right now, is take the other side off. Moving to the other side. So the side skirts are the Ingersoll Rand side skirts. I can't even say it. And moving on to the next step, we will prep, but first we will clean what we have here. Okay, so I got the deglosser out here, and I went over these one time. I'm gonna go ahead and go over them again with deglosser. This basically takes off shine and helps the paint to stick. And these things are absolutely trashed. So I am either going to, if this doesn't look good after painting, then they are going to be replaced, the original side skirts, with the same ABS plastic ones. But yeah, this thing is, these are ready to be painted. I think I'm just gonna paint it right here. And yeah, I mean, try not to get overspray on my cart. Maybe I'll throw like a sheet over it or something. But yeah, I'm gonna do that next. All right, ready to paint these things. It's actually pretty cold out here. It might take a while to dry. All right, my yard guys got here. That would cause an absolute mess. I went ahead and brought the side skirts back inside the garage, and I got the heater out here because it's pretty cold. The only thing I don't have any black screws, so I don't know if I should paint these screws or what. I'll probably throw a little paint on the top of them. Maybe I could just like do a quick you know, like touch up of them when they're on the cart itself and kind of put a sheet around it so I don't get anything all over the cart. But yeah, so the first coat is on. I think it's sticking. Thought I saw a couple places where it might be bubbling, but the deglosser usually does pretty good. It's going to need multiple coats for sure. So I'll put 2 or 3 coats on this, probably 3, and we'll see what's happening. We'll let these dry for about 30 minutes. All right, out here ready for the second coat. First coat came out awesome. I do have the heater going in here. It feels nice. Let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and try to put them back on and see how they look. Right out here, and there is some abnormal wear on this passenger side tire in the front. I'm going to go ahead and rotate the tires, hopefully, if I can get that done. I think I have all the tools I need, and then we'll figure out what's causing the wear on this. It may be bushings is what someone was telling me, but we got to figure that out and replace whatever is shot. All right, so I rotated the tires and found some weirdness on the PSI. So this tire is, they're all over the place basically. This tire is at 32, the other one is at 17. I read online a good PSI is 20 PSI. So I'm gonna go ahead and take some air out of this one and air the other ones up. All right, everybody, we're out here, Rich and Trish, and we are decorating the cart for the annual golf cart parade. And we have probably one of the best carts, I would say. We have like passengers riding on the sides. We have the snowman and the Santa Claus. We have garland, we have balls, we have lights, a Christmas tree, which we haven't decided what we're gonna do with yet, but let me turn the lights off so you guys can actually see. And let's shut the door. And we get a good look at night.
And this is coming.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, it went off. Oh, it's got issues. And there it is at night. This thing looks crazy. Oh my God. This thing looks insane.
I love it.
Oh, the light came back on. It's so good though, man.